brush my hair and Kathy everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I'm plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and Kathy everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. All right. What do you think of that? Why is it? All right, hold on. Shush for 1 minute.
It's a bit sus.
Let's discuss. Why is it a bad song to you?
Girls.
But like a bunch of lads just sang it like
It's a registered hood. My throat hurts now.
It's so weird, man.
Why is it weird to you though?
It's like a dumb song.
It's a vibe, though.
No, like, how?
Like, if I'm out with the lads, like, I'm there singing that.
Yeah, but like,
It's
why
good
is-
crack, like, the vibes are high. Yeah. But then, like, why would you sing it immaculate?
I mean, like, if it's just like a lot of people sing it because it's a stereotype for like, oh, this is a girl song, because it's like we're not really them. Like, I myself go to the boys school,
Same.
and like I don't really talk to any girls, so like it's just funny for us to sing that.
I think it's a good song.
Registered hood.
I think it should be for both genders, though, because I don't really think there's anything that makes it girly or boy. I bet boys sing that song more.
Be a man.
You're not alive, boys, so you start kicking.